Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Pad 11 and let me share with you how to change the system navigation on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find features. Then let's tap on system navigation at the top, and as you can see here we've got the virtual navigations or gestures. If you'd like to use 3-button navigation, simply tap on this option at the top. You can also tap on it, and here you can reorder the back button and the recents, decide whether you want to always show navigation bar, and decide whether you would like to use circle to search. And if you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this option here. Of course you can customize it just by tapping on this settings icon. And here you can also decide whether you want to use Google Gemini, avoid miss operation, and by swipe gesture you can display or hide a bottom indicator, so it's up to you. Again, circle to search and back sensitivity to left and right edge. But to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. So in order to get back, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center. If you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.